Hi, my name is GEOCAN and I welcome you to Solve Math. Yes, today we are going to delve into a new topic and the topic is division as repeated subtraction. What it simply means is that we are going to solve division, but this time we are going to use subtraction to solve that division and it's going to be repeatedly. Now, pay critical attention here. Let's move to the board. The rule is solve the following using repeated subtraction. You have 8 divided by 4. Now, the 8 is known as the dividend. Dividend. Good, that is the 8. We refer to the 8 as the dividend. Always first number in your division is known as the dividend, and the second number is known as the divisor. So here 4 is the divisor. So here 4 is our divisor. And in solving this particular question using repeated subtraction, this is the rule. The rule says that subtract the divisor from the dividend, but do that repeatedly, and do that till you get 0. Till you get 0. I repeat myself. Subtract the divisor from the dividend. Do that repeatedly, continuously, till you arrive at 0. So now, let's be practical over here, okay? Please. After doing that, count the number of times you did the repeated subtraction, and that will be your answer. So now, let's tackle this one for you to appreciate the concept. Good. Now, let's do our first subtraction. We subtract our divisor from what? Dividend, right? So let's bring our bracket. So 8 minus 4. This is the divisor, so we subtract it from the dividend. And it will be equal to what? 4. Now, close your bracket. Bring your comma. We don't have 0, right? So we have to keep on subtracting, right? The bracket here, the 4 minus the divisor, which is also 4. 4 minus 4 will be equal to what? 0. Stop. That's what the rule is saying. When you get 0, stop. Then count the number of times you did a subtraction. That is all, and that's your answer. So this time, let's count the number of times we did a subtraction. This is our first subtraction done. So 1. And this is our second subtraction done. 2. So we did 2 subtractions to get the 0. So what it simply means here is that 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. When you share 8 oranges to 4 people, each person gets 2 oranges. That is what it means. Let's tackle question 2 using the same principles. Subtract the divisor from the dividend till you arrive at 0. Then you count the number of subtractions you did, and that will be your result or answer. So good. Don't forget your brackets, because it makes it easy for you when you are counting the number of times you did a subtraction. So 10 minus 2 is equal to what? 8. So our first subtraction, close your bracket, bring a comma here. We don't have 0 yet, right? So we are continuing with the subtraction. So 8, don't forget, is the results you have here. You keep on subtracting. So 8 minus the divisor, which is what? 2, which will give us what? 6. Good. So still, we don't have 0, so we keep on subtracting repeatedly the divisor from 8. So we have 6 minus the divisor, which is what? 2. 6 minus 2, it will give us what? 4. So still, we are not done because we don't have 0. So now, 4, the number here, you can see that, right? Good. 4 minus 2 will be equal to what? 2. Good. So we don't still have 0 over there. So now 2 minus Your what? Divisor, which is what? 2. And 2 minus 2 is equal to what? 0. Now, we've ended. We've arrived at 0. Right? It was amazing. Right? Good. So now let's count the number of subtractions we did to record 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what does this mean? It means that 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. That is what it means. I believe you got it. Good. We'll be going on a quick break, and when we return, we'll tackle the final question. It's all math, love math.